In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request remote control of someone's screen in Zoom during a meeting. This is a handy way to help a colleague troubleshoot, walk a client through a task, or simply collaborate more efficiently. I'll guide you through what you'll see and exactly what to click, along with a few helpful tips to keep things smooth and respectful. First, make sure someone is actively sharing their screen. You can only ask for control when a participant or the host is sharing. If nobody is sharing yet, ask them to start their share before you proceed. You should see their shared content filling your Zoom window when it's ready. Next, move your mouse to the top of your Zoom window to reveal the toolbar. Look for the button labeled View Options. It usually appears as a drop-down along the top edge while you're viewing a shared screen. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, select Request Remote Control. Zoom will then show you a confirmation dialog so you can confirm your intention. Click Request to send your request. This doesn't give you control immediately. It simply notifies the person who's sharing. Now, wait for the other person to approve. They'll see a prompt asking whether they want to grant you control. If they click Allow, Zoom will hand you control of their screen. If they decline or if the option is disabled by the host, you won't be able to continue. It's always a good idea to announce that you're requesting control so they know what to expect. Once they approve, click inside the shared screen to start controlling. You'll now be able to move the mouse, click buttons, and type using your keyboard within the shared screen. Keep your movements steady and narrate what you're doing so the other person can follow along. If you don't seem to have control right away, make sure you've clicked inside the shared content area to focus it. When you're finished, or if you want to hand control back, go to the top of the Zoom window again, open View Options, and choose Give Up Remote Control. That immediately returns full control to the person sharing. It's courteous to say you're done before you give it up, so there are no surprises. A couple of final tips. If you don't see View Options, make sure the Zoom window is active and you're actually viewing the shared screen. If the request option isn't there, the host may have disabled remote control permissions. Communicate clearly, move deliberately, and you'll make remote collaboration feel seamless.